Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And as cleaning out the hangar the other day, Luann brought a box of stuff to me to look at, and I found a couple of old trader planes, and one of them was from July of 2017, so about 7 years ago. And I opened it up to the Grumman prices, and I was absolutely shocked. So stay tuned, hang on to it. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So, as you might imagine, these prices are a lot lower than they are in today's marketplace. And you can just run through there, and we're going to have a little summary at the end of this of all the prices of the airplanes that we had for sale in the sheet. I think there was probably like 18 or 19 airplanes that were for sale. No Yankees, no Cougars, but 1A, 1B, 1Cs, Travelers, Cheetahs, and Tigers, and a AGAC Tiger. But, basically the two-seaters are all in like the teens, high teens. The Travelers, pretty much the same price as the Cheetahs at that time, 35 to 40,000. A really good model might get you 50. The Tigers were all in the 40 to 50 range. And then there was an AG5B that came in at 60,000, which was top of the line price for 2017. So here you can see them all summarized. I used a K for the thousands and put some decimals without a K to keep the columns and all straight. But you can see what the 1As went for, the Travelers, the 1B, 1Cs, and all the Cheetahs, and then of course the Tigers. Here are all the various prices, and they vary quite a bit across the line between. It all depended on engine time and avionics and everything else, but we're just trying to give you a ballpark price, and I think we've accomplished that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found all this useful and informative about where our plane prices were just 7 years ago. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fun day flying your plane. Thank you.